Akiaria ari kaniseni ya PCA Kithangari ya Bogeta West, umwe wa atongeria bakaraja ba kanisa eji Reverend David Gathanju ni arombete ngavana Kawira Mwangaza kwewa kanya na kuthiria kibindi kiawe kiotongeria, akiuga kithurano gitikuraja na riu Amiru bakamenya kethira bakamuchokia gitene kana bamuinge. Nawe mubunge wa South Imenti Shadrack Mwete augite wete muringi gituma mbunge ende ni kuritira kariba gicigo kiunguge iria bamutumire arita. Mwandiki wetu wa Ntito Mutugikare ni agutwacho na njirendiku.
Siasa chaja Meru chedete na mbere kururia mutana kugwata mwanki ale muswanda joko eberianga bana Kawira Mwangaza gitene jwirigeri ntuko ya rojo na Njumaine kwarirwa kire mbunge ya seneti akiaria nyuma ya kiumia kanisene ya PCA Kithangari na nyuma ya kiathokera yukare kanisene je kurugura kanisa eje ure wari mondarita wa General Assembly wa kanisa yukire mongojo wa Kenya ura ni Reverend David Gathanju na ugete kire maugeja wenga bana Mwangaza abati kwe wakanya karitira merunguge monka gepindi kyawe kethire mwankene jwangirijire 27.
We run through mistakes and let people be given time to exercise their gifts, and especially the politics that are going on here. And if there is such a serious problem, let people sit down, because it will take time. There will be no development, and we have very few years. We have another election. Let the government be given time.
Kingile Reverend David na ugete kaunti ya Meru atongeria ba makanisa mwanya bagatonyera no bethire bakigeria guchwathire gatigati kangabana na atongeria bara bathuri kenda Meru ekagita na ekagia thiri.
Let us church participate or come in and be the people or mediators of what is happening, and through the church, because they don't take any side, we can solve any problem. Nothing is impossible, and no problem have a solution in one way or the other. But when we have a mediator who does not take any side, and church can do that, from all denominations we have representative, and we can see together.
Bwamuthia kire Reverend David na ugete mpumira chiko umira ntuko ya Jumaine kagite ne kara seneti kagita kethira ngabana Mwangaza ne kana arugo gambi bobo ithira bogete kirwa ni Amiru.
We accept the decision of the Senate. What they decide, they have had it before, they have it now. We accept their decision.
Mujumbe wa South Imenti Daktari Shadrack Mwete orogo kare kiathoneke na ugete na wetete na mbere gukubiria gicigo mbunge kiawekere thirikari nene kenda kigeta na mbere kuguneka na mirandi ya gwiti na mbere.
And I told you I'm not a politician but a leader to make sure South Imenti gets somewhere to mirror at lunch. I'm determined, God willing, that South Imenti will never be the same again. Currently, as you have heard, I have managed to bring the death and birth certificates at Kaguru. Sahi, ule anataka certificate ya Kaguru. Kuna land registries nimeleta Nkubu. Ile barabara ya lami ambaye ilikuwa imekwama ya Uruko, tumebakisha kilomita 2. Na dream yangu ni kuona hii barabara kutoka Kionyo mpaka Kanyakine kwenda Mitungu imewekwa kalami kabla nitoke. That's one of my dreams. And I'm in the process working on that one. The DCC, wenu wa Kanyakine ndio amebaki peke yake, na mimi nimeongea na Minister of Interior. We expect to have DCC Kanyakine very soon. So, my dear brothers and sisters, I did not go to Parliament just to make noise. but I have calling to make South Immense better.
Kuma Kithangari ya Bogeta West gĩcigo mbunge ya South Immense nke report ratito cia wero weekendi rĩakwa rĩetwa nĩ Mũtungi Kare.